Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is the 1st of February 2021 and today is a Monday. So I'm going to sell some call option on some of the share that I own. And last Friday I sell some of the put option on a few stock that expire on this Friday. So I'll update those stock when they come closer to Friday. And today I'm going to do just call option on two stock because for Apple AAPL I've just loaded up to 100 share today, and Apple has dropped $2 from my average price, but that's fine with me. And the other stock I will do a continuation is the NIO because I own 100 share. So let me go to the Apple first. Because I own 100 share on Apple, so I'm going to do a covered call. And the option that I'm going to sell will be the this week option that expire on the 5th of February, 5 days from now. Because I purchased the Apple stock for $133, so the premium that I'm looking for will be about $1.30. And that will bring me to a strike of about 136. I think I'm fine with it. So I'll just sell a call option on 136. And let's see if I'm filled on this. Yes, so I'm done selling a 136 call option for $1.33. So I will just update the trade over here. 136 for $1.33, and that will bring my average price to 132.10 cents. So that is the average price for my Apple stock right now, regardless of whether the market go up or go down. By selling a call option, it brings my average price lower. And the ideal scenario is actually for Apple to go up. If the Apple go up above 136, then I stand to gain another $4 or $5 from this move. But if not, I will continue to sell the call strike every week for about $1.30. I'm fine with it, as long as Apple don't drop big. So the next stock that I'm going to look at is actually NIO. NIO is a continuation from the start of 28 December last year until last week. I've been selling call option because I own the stock on the 19th of January 2021. You can watch my previous video on the NIO trade. So today I'm looking to sell a call option for NIO, and let's see what is a strike that I can go for. So I'm going to look for this week option as well, and probably looking for a 60-cent option. So that will bring me about 62.5 strike, or maybe the 63 strike. I think I'm fine with the 63 strike. That can fetch me 60 cents. So let me just try and see if we are done on this. Yes, so I'm done for the 63 strike. And I will just update. And that will bring my average price to 52.95. So as with the case of Apple, NIO is the same. The ideal scenario is for NIO to go up above 63. Then I stand to gain another few dollars from the move. If it doesn't move, then I'm fine with it. I'm fine to collect 60 cents of premium every week for the rest of the year. If I can just collect 60 cents for the next 50 weeks, then I will probably get the new stock for 50% discount. So that is fine with me. And let's see. I don't have any other trade to do at the moment. But if there is another trade coming up today or tomorrow, I will probably update another video on it. But for now, let me just take a look at Palantir, PLTR. Currently is at $33. No, I'll probably skip the Palantir for this week again, and then let's see where Palantir will go, and we can come back to that. So I think I'm pretty done for today. So today is the Apple and the NIO, and then next week we'll see where the market goes and we'll continue the trade. Thank you everyone. If you like the video, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you.